everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking New York strip in a cast iron skillet. I'm going to be using cracked pepper. I'm going to be using sea salt, keeping it simple. And I'm going to go ahead and turn up the burner to medium. Normally when on camera it's not on, I cook it at medium high. But when you get the pan real hot like that and you put the steak on it, it smokes a lot and you can't really see on camera, so I'm just going to do it on medium, show you how to do it that way. Okay, we're going to want to go ahead and pepper it. That's your cracked pepper. Let's go ahead and be generous. You like my salt shaker? I don't have one that has big enough holes for sea salt. Now you can grease your pan or you can grease your meat. It doesn't matter. Whichever way you want to do it. I've got a playlist you'll see at the end of this video, or if you click right now at the top right hand corner of the video you see an information card. It'll have the same thing. All different kind of ways to make it. A lot of them I learned from Gordon Ramsay, and some I just learned through work. All the ones that he did that I tried to do, of course, weren't as good, but yeah, there's all different kind of ways. So once this is heated up to medium, we're going to go ahead and put the steak on. You want this to be at room temperature before you put it on. Anytime you're cooking meats, you want it to be at room temperature before you put it on the skillet. This steak is going to be the put it on the skillet and leave it alone. Also known as put it in the pan and don't touch it. So we're just going to let it cook like that. We're not going to mess with it. Special shout out to all my female viewers. I want to thank you for sharing all these videos with your friends and increasing my female viewership. It's gone up, and just a big shout out to you guys. Thank you. I'm also going to hold the steak up and get the sides, hold it up against the side of the pan, and you want to sear the sides also. Alright, looks like this one's about done. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let this rest for about 5 minutes. You want to let it rest, and it's going to finish cooking, so you don't want to cook it all the way through and then let it rest. Otherwise it'll keep cooking past where you want it. So right before you have it where you want it, pull it out, let it rest, and also it'll keep the juices from going out everywhere. If you cut it as soon as you get the steak, it's just the juices will flow out and then you kind of ruined it. So be right back. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes. I keep my apartment about 69 degrees, so it cools off a little quicker, but yeah, you just don't want to rip into it. So I like mine medium well. I don't like this fat right here. So I'll go ahead and cut a piece of that off. See? That's how I like mine. If you like yours a little bit more rare, go ahead and cook it like that. Still, it's nice, juicy, and tender. Go ahead and give it a shot. That's too big. That's too big. Okay. Just the salt and the pepper brings out the flavor of the steak. If you have a good steak, this was a good steak. Either way you cook a steak, there's different ways to do it. Like I say, let me know how you do it. And remember, folks, don't hate, congratulate.